How to earn money from Bitcoin cryptocurrency? You can make money with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in several ways: buying and holding, trading, mining, staking, and lending borrowing. Buy Bitcoin at a low price and hold on to it until the price goes up. Trading, another way to make money with Bitcoin is through trading. This involves buying and selling Bitcoin on a cryptocurrency exchange, such as Binance or Coinbase, based on market fluctuations in price. Mining, Bitcoin mining is the process of solving complex mathematical algorithms to validate transactions on the blockchain network. Miners who successfully validate a block of transactions are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoins and transaction fees. Staking, Bitcoin staking is also a way of earn passive income through holding Bitcoin. Bitcoin lending borrowing, some platforms allows to lend Bitcoin and other crypto to other users at a fixed interest rate, which in turn can generate some passive income.